Alright, well hey everybody, welcome back, and we've got the more of the blues bass riffs here. We've got the final blues bass riff right here today. So the Smoking Hot blues bass riff, 1, 2, 3, and today is 4. So if you don't know me by now, I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor at the How to Play Bass online course at iwantoplaybass.com, where we're helping aspiring bassists every day reach their goals. So if you haven't subscribed yet, jump over there, subscribe, become a member for free, get a free ebook on how to set your bass up for success, and and go from there. So, and when you want to get serious about it, enroll, sign up. You want to take somebody with you. You want to have somebody in your corner when you venture out, because that's what we're here for. And you set your goals, we help you achieve them. So definitely sign up, and we'll get the ball rolling. Give it that solid foundation. We focus on the fundamentals, and to build that base, the base of that tree, so you can branch off and go anywhere. You can branch off, the sky's the limit. You can go this way, you can go that way, you can go that way, and then come back and go that way as well. You can do anything. So you just got to know you can do it, and believe you can do it, and not quit, and you will get there. So today we're going to go over the fourth bass riff and to that 12 bar blues, and this Smoking Hot blues bass riff you're going to enjoy today. So as you know, if you haven't seen the bass line, if it's your first time you've seen the video, subscribe down below and hit the bell notification. I've got lots more, and go back and check out the other videos, and I'll leave a link right here for the bass line of how to play the bass line, and then every one after that is part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4, the bass riffs of those bass lines. So it's 12 bar blues, and at the last 2 bars we use as a turnaround, and that's where I include my blues bass riffs there. So pretty fundamental, and it's the blues. 12 bar blues is something you definitely want to have in your arsenal, because when you get together with guys, that's the best way to mesh. That's the best way to get to get a feel for one another, and how to just mesh as a band. You can play that 12 bar blues all night long and just get a good feel for things, and really it's a good workout. So it's definitely something you want to know how to do, and these bass riffs here help give you, they add a little color and give you an idea of, well, you can go here or go there. They give you options, and that's what it's all about, having options and going from here to there. So like I said, the blues bass riff is, the bass line is on another video, but I'm not going to go over that today. I'm just going to go over the blues bass riff, but I will introduce the bass line to get to the bass riff. So this is going to be the bass riff of that little lick there. So here's the fourth blues bass riff we've got. So we're just going to go from here. I'm just going to go from the F. That leads us right into the blues bass riff. Just going to go. So it's basically, if you don't know about thumping and popping, then just work on that first. So thumping is basically, you just take the bone of your thumb right there, and you thump the string that you're on, the note that you're playing, that string that you're playing that note on, thump it right against the fretboard and bounce off, and then you pop. Basically just pop, just put your foot under there, and you pop. So that's just going to be. So that's just C, E flat, G, and then F. Flat, C, B flat, G to E flat. Then you go right into, so not, you bounce right there. So the hardest things are going to be transitioning from popping back to plucking, or from plucking into. Alright, so here's the entire 12 bar blues with the 4 bass riffs included. Enjoy, subscribe, see you on the next video. y'all enjoyed. See ya.